I feel like I've been teasing this video for so long. It's finally here, guys. A video on how to make a peel-off mask at home. Unfortunately, it's not from scratch. I'm still working on that, but it's still a peel-off mask. You can customize it and have so much fun making it your own. So the main thing you need is this peel-off face mask base. It's natural, organic, and it's from Makesy.com. I am an affiliate with them, so affiliate links down below. And you need 80 to 100% of it in your total formula. If you aren't sure how to work with percents, I do have a video down in my description box that will explain to you how you formulate in percents. And I also recommend watching my Formulating for Beginners series to understand more. So you're going to need a digital scale that weighs to 0.01 grams. And I already went ahead and pre-weighed all my ingredients, so I won't be using a scale in this video. So first up, we're making the Rose Peel-Off Face Mask, and I made this for like dry or like mature skin types. But realistically, this is great for all skin types. So I'm making a 50-gram batch, and I'm gonna take a bowl, add in 47.45 grams of the peel-off face mask base, and then 1 gram of DL-panthenol, 0.025 grams of ultra low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and this is the only hyaluronic acid I would recommend for this peel off mask. And then I'm going to use 0.025 grams of aloe vera 200 times powder. I know that sounds like a small amount, but this is a highly concentrated aloe vera. And then I'm going to add 0.25 grams of pink mica powder. I got this from madmica.com. They are ethically sourced. I added 0.25 grams of vitamin E. And then lastly, 1 gram of rosehip seed oil. And this oil is great for all skin types, which that's really what makes this great for all skin types. It just has hydrating, moisturizing ingredients. And then I just mix everything together. And I found these really cute jars on Amazon. I'll link to them down below. And I think they're perfect because they have that little like stopper on the top, which kind of keeps like all the powder packed in. And yeah, that's it. So let's just take equal parts our face mask and water. Make sure you actually measure. I just eyeballed it. And then just mix until you have no clumps. It was kind of hard for me to not have clumps. I didn't use warm water. You want to make sure you use warm water, but whatever. The clumps didn't really ruin the face mask experience for me. But I did end up leaving it on way too long, and it got hard like that. You don't want that. You want it to just be like white a little bit around the edges. Like it's only dry slightly around the edges. You still want it to kind of feel wet because it's not still wet. It's just gelled, which makes it easy to peel off. Otherwise it's going to be hard and feel like a clay mask trying to take it off. And your skin will end up red like that. But my skin felt so soft afterwards on the parts that didn't get red. But let's go ahead and make the tea tree peel off face mask. This one is like for acne prone skin, which is why I use tea tree oil and safflower oil because that's great for oily acne prone skin. I used 46.97 grams of the peel off face mask base, 0.025 grams of ultra low molecular weight hyaluronic acid, and then I'm going to add in 1 gram of niacinamide. This is pH sensitive, but I did take the pH of this face mask after I diluted it with water, and it was like 6.5. So you might want to do that with yours just to be safe. But yeah, it is pH sensitive. It needs to be between 5 to 7. So keep that in mind. And then I'm going to add in blue mica powder. I used 0.25 grams of it. And then 0.5 grams of tea tree oil, 0.25 grams of vitamin E, and then lastly, 1 gram of safflower oil. This is high in linoleic acid, which makes it great for oily acne prone skin. So mix it all together. I like using a whisk and then just jar it up in whatever container you want. I'll have these jars linked down below. I'll actually have everything linked down below if you want to buy any of the equipment, tools, or ingredients I used. And again, just mix it with warm, equal parts water. Apply it all over. You want to do a thick layer. Let it sit for 10 minutes just until the edges get like white and then peel it off. So I did make one other mask. It is a brightening turmeric vitamin C peel off face mask. I saved the best for Patreon. So if you want to see this formula, then you're going to have to go over to my Patreon. It is accessible to those who are in the $5 tier or any tier above that. $1 tier does not have access to exclusive videos because I post 2 exclusive videos every month And the brightening turmeric vitamin C peel off mask is an exclusive video. So maybe I'll see you over there. One more thing I want to talk about is creating this from scratch. So I've been trying to do that for a while. The key ingredients is diatomaceous earth, which if you notice, it's actually a lot darker in color compared to the peel off base. And I think maybe because this is food grade. And then the other key ingredient is sodium alginate, also known as algin. And if you take a look at the inky name of the peel off base, and there you see it, diatomaceous earth and algin. So I've been trying the combination of the two and a few other ingredients for a while, but I can't get it just right. It always ends up being way too chunky. So I don't know, I bought a better sifter, so maybe that will help. And I also am going to purchase some cosmetic grade diatomaceous earth instead, and hopefully that will help. Also, one more thing, I want to shout out this video from the Institute of Personal Care Science titled Natural Peelable Masks. This video was actually what inspired me to add oils and essential oils to these peelable masks because I wasn't sure if it was possible, but I found this video and I seen Belinda added in the oils. So I was like, all right, I can do it too. So yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll talk to you in my next video.
I'm stuck in the motions. I've been consumed by the wrath of time I'm shattered in this life. It's still the path that I've chosen. Because I've had a vision. Now I'm on a mission to find myself with music and find someone to listen.